taken the VCP training at NetSoft, and it was an experience that truly lended itself well to our transition from VMware 4.1 to the 5.1 ESXi. The experience really showed how much the technology has advanced and how much we're really missing on the opportunities using the newer software. NetSoft was very good at highlighting the differences, the added capabilities, and how we could use it better in our organization moving forward. Through the course, there was a lot of hands-on experience. The instructors were more than knowledgeable and offered a lot of guidance and support when you ran into any of the issues. NetSoft has been a very excellent organization to embrace and support its students in moving forward in learning about the technologies that are there. And from my experience, I highly recommend NetSoft to anyone that really wants to learn and grow from the various technologies that are continuously evolving and changing. So from my perspective, I highly recommend anyone that's interested in taking some courses in learning about the technology and where they're going to embrace NetSoft as your partner moving forward. I have. Thank you so much.